Hi, and welcome to the Green Review. In this program, we'll talk about the environment. Today's session will focus on how children are impacted and involved with environmental issues. But first, let's dive into some key facts.
Do you know what the COP21 Celsius degree limit for 2100? Only 2 small degrees. We can make a comparison of the average temperature between the first measurement that occurs in 1880 and now. Between 1880 and 2012, the average temperature on the Earth's surface already increased by 0.85 degrees. You may understand that it's more than a time to change. If you have some mathematical abilities, you will probably know that 2 minus 0.85 equals 1.15 degrees. This number represents what is left until the 2 degrees limit, which means that there's still room to make an impact. The goal is really to stop this skyrocket.
An even more alarming example. Since the end of the 19th century, the Arctic heated twice as fast as the rest of the planet, with an increase of 1 degree. Consequently, the melting of glaciers led to the rise of ocean levels, which could destroy cities, countries, and even whole continents, but also lead to the extinction of wildlife. Every year, monthly maximum temperature records are being beaten 3 times more often than if the climate was stable. Moreover, since the 60s, their occurrences have more than tripled.
Take a look at the situation nowadays throughout the whole world. It's worrying. Remember in 2019 the fires in Australia and in California? The typhoons Faxai in September and Hagibis in October in Japan? The floods in the Midwest of the USA in March? The cyclone Dorian in America? And now the coronavirus pandemic? Aren't all these events signals the planet is sending us to warn us that the Earth is almost destroyed?
With all of this information, we want you, those who are watching this TV show, to understand that the children are the ones that will be mostly impacted. Their future is endangered.
As a result, the people that should feel the most concerned should be children. But are they even thinking about it?
I'm 13 and I think we should really take global warming seriously, because if we don't do it now, we won't be able to make a change. I'm Croatian, and when I go there during summer, I'm always impressed to see all the fires that destroy the forests. It makes me sad to see my country degrading.
J'ai 13 ans aussi et je pense qu'il faudrait absolument qu'on stoppe le réchauffement climatique car il entraîne de grandes catastrophes naturelles. Moi je vais en citer que 2 parce que c'est des causes qui me tiennent vraiment à cœur, que je soutiens vraiment et je pense qu'on doit absolument se battre pour ces causes-là. Le réchauffement climatique entraîne la fonte des glaces et donc ça va entraîner la deuxième cause. Ça entraîne aussi la disparition d'espèces et notamment des espèces comme les ours polaires ou comme les pingouins qui vivent sur la banquise et quand les banquises se fondent, ces espèces disparaissent car elles n'ont plus d'habitat. Et je pense qu'en tant qu'habitants de la Terre, on devrait tous se battre pour ces causes-là.
Children are bearing the consequences of this phenomenon. The most vulnerable are the ones suffering the most. The fundamental point to remember is this: children are the future. This means that the damage that is being done to the environment today will impact children's lives in the future. This is why they must be made aware of environmental issues so they can change their own behavior as soon as possible. Most of them are. They know what's happening because it's everywhere, on TV, on the internet, but they should be able to participate in the discussions and debates to find what has to be done to make the sustainable transition happen.
Sustainability. This is a key notion that you should keep in mind in every daily action. It involves damaging the environment as less as possible to keep the same well-being and level of life through time for the next generations.
Now, don't you think children have a place in this debate? The future generation's commitment is more than needed. You know how to create it. Let's just do it.